What if your car could run on fuel made from plants instead of petrol? Fuel that grows in fields, fuel created from corn, sugarcane, or even vegetable oil. This is not the future. This is already happening. This type of energy is called biofuel, a renewable fuel made from natural, organic materials. Unlike petrol and diesel, which come from fossil fuels deep underground, biofuels are produced from plants that can be grown again and again. Two of the most common biofuels are ethanol and biodiesel. Ethanol is typically made from crops like corn and sugarcane through a process called fermentation. Natural sugars from these plants are converted into alcohol, which can then be used as fuel. This fuel can be mixed with petrol and used in many vehicles without major changes. In fact, in Brazil, ethanol is widely used as a primary fuel. Many cars there are equipped with flex fuel engines, allowing them to run on petrol, ethanol, or a combination of both. Another important biofuel is biodiesel. Biodiesel is made from vegetable oils, animal fats, or even recycled cooking oil. It can be used in diesel engines, especially in trucks, buses, and heavy vehicles, often without any major modifications. Compared to traditional diesel, biodiesel produces less harmful emissions, making it a cleaner option for transportation. One of the biggest advantages of biofuels is that they are renewable. As plants grow, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps create a more balanced carbon cycle compared to fossil fuels. Biofuels also offer the benefit of energy independence. Countries can produce their own fuel locally instead of relying heavily on imported oil. However, biofuels are not without challenges. Producing them requires land, water, fertilizers, and energy. Large-scale production can sometimes compete with food crops, raising concerns about food supply. There is also the question of cost. In some cases, biofuels can be more expensive to produce than traditional fuels. However, for consumers, prices can be similar or even lower depending on production scale and government support. To overcome these challenges, scientists are developing advanced biofuels. These include fuels made from algae, agricultural waste, and non-food plants. Algae, for example, can grow quickly in water and produce large amounts of oil without using farmland. These innovations could make biofuels more sustainable and widely available in the future. Researchers around the world are working to improve efficiency and reduce production costs. In the coming years, biofuels could power not only cars, but also trucks, airplanes, and ships. Imagine a world where transportation runs on fuel grown from nature, reducing pollution and protecting the environment. Biofuels represent a powerful step toward a cleaner and more sustainable future. And one day, the fuel in your vehicle might not come from deep underground, but from plants growing right above the surface of the earth.